angazi ukuthi ke imfihlo kaNomalanga sekuseduze ukuthi ke iphume ukuthola ke kunzima ukuphila laphana ke koDlamini emva ukuthi ke uphethene ecele uNomfundo ukuthi ke amgadele uNomalanga after she saw her drinking alcohol. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile, and the Dlamini is from the 28th to the 22nd of May 2024 on Monday. Deliwe badges in on the family or her family as she makes a declaration. Nomalanga finds herself grappling with Nomfundo's sudden and unwavering commitment to her on Tuesday. Deliwe faces the truth that Vuma is gone from her grasp, perhaps forever. Wenzeni's cooking debut is a disaster as flames of ambition turn to ashes on Wednesday. Nomalanga lies about a solo trip to the doctor. Kuzwayo's chicken come home to roost as the crowd cries for his blood. Wenzeni's cooking auditions start to heat up. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.